Pickr identifies the best topics to tweet about for your niche and writes engaging tweets for you for maximum tweet reach. After clicking sign up free, you'll be taken to the sign up page. Here you enter key account information like your username and email. You can complete your sign up by choosing up to 3 niches that best represent your audience. On this occasion, we want to target entrepreneurs, marketers, and startups. If your niche isn't available for selection, just add it in the custom niche section. Once you've signed up to Pickr, you will be presented with the Pickr Home dashboard. Here you will see the 3 biggest trending topics from the niches you selected upon sign up. The topics are displayed here in order of engagement they are getting. Each topic is complete with a topic description and a selection of AI-generated tweets. You can click on each of the Pickr topics for a more detailed look at it. Let's take a look at this topic entitled Marketing Career Options. The posts in this topic are about starting a career in marketing, including how to get an entry-level marketing job and improve one's CV. After clicking on the topic, you will find a richer array of AI-generated posts related to the subject. Click the tweet icon by any generated post to schedule it or post it. Clicking the icon will bring up the X homepage. If you don't want to schedule your post, just go ahead and click the post button. You might notice the View All Topics button at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this button will take you to the Trending Topics page. You can also access this by going to the navigation bar and clicking All Topics. The Trending Topics page will show you all the topics that are related to your niches. The topics are ordered from the highest to lowest engagement. Remember, you can click on any topic for a more detailed view on it. Click on the topic to view the topic description and AI-generated tweets. All your account information can be seen on the user account page. You can find this page by heading to the navigation bar and then clicking on the account icon. Remember, we use niches to find trends and talking points that are relevant to your audience. When you sign up to Pickr, you are able to use all Pickr features for free for a 14-day period. When your trial period ends, you'll have to sign up as a paid subscriber. A Pickr subscription costs just $9.99 a month. To sign up for a paid subscription, go to the upgrade page, which can be accessed through the navigation bar. Once you click on upgrade, you'll be taken to the upgrade page. Click subscribe to go to checkout and enter key payment information to complete your subscription.